Hello and welcome to another Elliott Waves analysis. Today I want to talk about the Nasdaq. Okay, so I've been calling for Nasdaq and S&P and Nikkei peak for the longest time. Right, the latest is this Nikkei peak yesterday. Right, so I think I got the timing right, but not the price. Okay, so what happens is actually the price move even higher. Right, so yeah, so if yesterday is a peak, then the timing is correct. So let's get back to Nasdaq again. Right, so over here we revise on this entire wave count. Right, so this is the daily time frame, and we start the wave on the 7th of April 2025. That's 1 year ago. Right, so over here you have wave one over here that ended on 20th of May, and a very short wave two that ended on 20th of May. Right, then we have this wave 3 where actually wave 5 the extension. Okay, so that ended on the 30th of October 2025. Okay, then we have this prolonged ABC wave as a wave 4. Okay, so this ended on 31st March 2026, right? So this is actually quite a long one relatively. So it spans 5 months. Okay, then we have this final wave up, right? So from this wave for 31st March 2026, right? We have this move up until 1st June 2026. Right, so over here then it actually moved up for 2 months straight. So this is almost a straight line move up. Now let's look at this in detail. We go to the hourly. Right, so over here you see this wave 5. Okay, this wave 5. So let me make this a green color ticker. Okay, so this is what we are studying today. Right, so over here you see a 1 2 3 4 5 for wave 1. Right, so that end on the 21st May 2026. Right, then you have a wave 2. Okay, then you have this wave 3 up until 27 May 2026. Then you have this ABC down for wave 4. Now wave 5 itself is interesting in the sense that if you look at these 1 2, right, and then you have a 3 4, right, and then a 5 here, right, this is why this is potentially an end to it, because you have this wave up. So what is not nice about this wave is that it actually unfolds in 3 wave, right? Unfold in 3 waves. So this gives us an indication that this could be ending diagonal. Okay, so then you have this wave down, right? So you have this subwave, right? So over here this red one, let me look go through this ending diagonal itself. Okay, so if you look at this 1 2 3 down, right, for wave 2, then 1 2 3 for wave 3, right, then this is likely a 1 2 3 for wave 4, and finally this wave 5 itself doesn't actually shows a clear one, right, unless you go into the even lower, right, then you will see this 1 2 3 over here. Okay, so then this is the ending diagonal. So over here, remember the ending diagonal always is the sharp reversal down, right? So over here it does make a move down. Of course, it did not break this wave 4 yet, right? So the confirmation actually will come when you break this wave 4, right? And the further confirmation if you break this previous wave 4. Okay, so now over here you see that I've drawn this trend line over here. Okay, this trend line here, and it has actually broken this trend line, and it was retesting it at the moment that we're talking about this starting this wave, right? And likely if this is really an ending diagonal, right, we should see price move very quickly to this previous wave 4, this green color wave 4, right? So this will be 29,724, right? So this is a 600 points quick upside, right? And if you look at the bigger picture, right, then we look at 28,591. Okay, so then how to trade this? So everything has this pretext that we have this as an ending diagonal. Okay, so then how do we trade this? Will then be at this point in time, right? So if this is ending diagonal, you just find a place to put this stop loss. Right, so I would say I will put a stop loss here, right, which is about 30,460, right? So why this price, right? Firstly, is because it will break this, it will break back into the this trend line, right? And then there's this little resistance over here, so slightly above this little resistance. So let's go to the 5 minutes to look at this, right? So it will be slightly above this one. So let me put in this horizontal ray here. Okay, so this is actually the post trading hours from the US side, right? So yesterday the market will have closed here on the cash side, right? So this is the cash close. Okay, so this will be the stop loss, right? Slightly above here, and then like I say, right, a quick one will be until here, right? So you have this risk reward of 4.91, right? But we are really looking at the short here, which will give us, let me see if I put it here, right? So the longer term, you're looking at this, right? So this gives you around 13.45 risk reward ratio. Okay, so then this is where, I would say the price will move down to. Okay, so this is actually a short idea, right? So this is where, we look at this first target first, right? Then over here it may move a bit, you may rebound a bit, depending on what happens, right? Whether a 5 wave has already unfolded, or actually this would be a third wave, and then a fourth wave, and then we have a fifth wave down. Okay, so this is for Nasdaq. Okay, so as usual, good luck in your trading, and keep your risk tight. Thank you.